From Reseda to Northridge, powerful gusts of wind have created quite the mess. And another big blast is expected to come our way today. CBS 2's Tina Patel is live in Valencia with the latest. Tina, good morning.
Good morning, Suzanne. We are getting a break from the winds right now, but you can see the damage that's already been caused here in the Santa Clarita Valley. It's hard to have a romantic Valentine's dinner when the outdoor tents are blowing away. Take a look at this video from last night. The winds were really gusting through this area, knocking over trees and plants, also making driving tough. In fact, when we saw a few big rigs that had pulled over to the side of the freeway this morning, high-profile vehicles might still have some trouble with the winds today. Now, it is expected to be calmer in the San Fernando Valley today, but the winds caused problems there yesterday. A tree toppled in Northridge, knocking down power lines before landing on a car. The driver tells us she's grateful she wasn't inside at the time.
I'm pretty lucky, too, because the glass didn't break either. Like, no glass broke, so just really hoping we can get that sorted out soon. Just be careful out there. It gets pretty windy. And really invest in parking garages.
Yeah, if that's an option, if that's one way to keep your car safe at least. Now, thankfully, there are no serious reports of any injuries associated with this windstorm, no serious damage. But again, the winds are expected to pick back up, so everyone urged to be cautious, especially here in the Santa Clarita Valley. We'll send it back to you.